à la prochaine. On commence le troisième cours, livre page 23 et cahier d'activité page 22. L'objectif de notre cours aujourd'hui, comprendre des détails d'événements, raconter des activités quotidiennes. How can you talk about what did you do as activities, and also how can you understand some details about some activities. We have first to know c'est quoi la carte postale. Carte postale, c'est comme what you have now, carte postale. Recto, you can this kind of letter, but behind it you can find photo for this place, like what you have in this screen. We start comprehension. First lexique, vocab, Paris, TGV, directement, après-midi, il fait chaud, promenade, bateau, vue, d'autres, visiter, l'ascension, deuxième étage, escalier, fatigant, puis, acheter, souvenir, comme, plus, alors, égout, descendu, sous, terre, explorer, souterrain, passe, merveilleuse, beau, funiculaire, montée, excursion, nuit, froid, jusqu'à, quartier, l'ouest, commercial, énorme, mur, entre, espace, large, mètre, forêt, l'intérieur. We start page 23, first carte postale. You have to read each one to understand it according to the vocab that you have. Then you can answer in cahier d'activité in your workbook according to what you understand. First, after that you have first and you have to understand, complete this table, which day and what did they do morning, and afternoon what did they do, and evening what did they do. According to what you read here in first carte postale, you can complete it as first, quel jour, which day, samedi, dimanche. What did they do, matin, morning, arrivé en TGV. Après-midi, afternoon, what did they do, une promenade en bateau. Evening, what did they do, libre, without any program, libre, free. Second carte postale, you have to read it in your book. After that you read it, you have to complete the same table. But first, what do you know about who use water, but in France we make it as river. Like what you say. Underground you have it used water. After that you understand, complete this table. What did they do, morning and afternoon and evening. Then we have third one. After that you understand it, you can complete. But just to know what is the meaning of funicular. Funicular, kind of transport that you can use it to go up or down when you visit some places. Here, go down or go up. Look, that is funicular, kind of transportation. After that you understand the text, you can complete it, the table. What did they do in this day? Last one, you have to understand first according to the vocab that you have, then you have to complete this table. Here we talk about quel temps fait-il. What is the weather? Samedi, après-midi, Saturday, afternoon. Il a fait très chaud, hot weather. And dimanche, après-midi, il a plu, it rained. And lundi, Monday, il a fait beau, nice weather. And mardi, il a fait froid, cold weather. When we talk about the weather, we ask quel temps fait-il? Which weather it is? Il a fait très chaud, it means that hot weather. Il a plu, it rained. Il a fait beau, nice weather. Il a fait froid, cold weather. Activité and cahier d'activité, workbook page 22. After that you understand each text, you can answer, and you have here the answers. according to what you understand. And in the same workbook, cahier d'activité, workbook page 23, you have to continue the answers according to what you read in your tricolor, your book. How can you write carte postale? How can you write carte postale? Merci et à la prochaine. Merci.